I'd like to just take a moment and thank you all for inviting me over tonight, and for giving me the opportunity to give thanks before this wonderful meal. It's not often that I meet a family as cohesive and caring as this one. In the short time I've known you, you've truly shown me what it means to be a supportive, courteous, and loving family. So before we eat, I'd just like to say, I filled the room with poison gas. Choose yes. Choose no. Choose yes. No. Go. Come on. What? Damn it. You don't even have any cranberry sauce. I'm glad you're dead.
That's the one!